Today we gather to observe the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We pay homage to the father of the nation, a man whose life and principles continue to inspire not only India but entire world. Gandhiji taught us that truth and non-violence are not just lofty ideas, but they are practical tools to transform society. His philosophy of ahimsa showed humanity that even the greatest of struggles can be won without hatred or violence.
Along with nation, we are paying our homage to Father of Nation, the man of principles who, as Swapnilji has rightly told, the truth, non-violence, love and compassion. These are not only the values, but these are the tools, these are the arms to fight a biggest battle also against the very strong enemy. If we can win the enemies inside us, then we can win the enemies outside also.
When whole India was sort of celebrating the freedom, there was the half-clothed, loin-clothed man walking in our Kali, preventing struggle and fights and communal riots between the different communities. Where his presence made a difference. It was not the bullet, it was not the cannon, it was not the powerful of the armies. The man with principles stood in the ground and told, we can't kill each other. For the name of religion, for the name of caste, for the name of divisions, stay together. That is the value of the man who lived in principle and showed and proved and demonstrated to the world it is not the violence which can win.